Have you ever stopped to imagine what it truly takes to process millions of longhorn cows, not just to sustain a global appetite for milk and meat, but to carefully balance tradition, science, and human need in one continuous flow of life and labor? Behind the gates of vast ranches and industrial facilities, the journey begins with cattle raised in open pastures, where nutrition is meticulously monitored to ensure strength, longevity, and the richness of the resources they provide. The milk harvested from these cows is not a simple byproduct, but the result of carefully timed cycles, advanced milking parlors, and precision cooling systems that preserve its natural taste before being funneled into stainless steel tanks destined for processing plants that turn raw freshness into cheeses, creams, and countless dairy staples that reach millions of households daily. While at the same time, another intricate process unfolds where meat is obtained through highly regulated systems designed not only for efficiency, but for respect, safety, and the promise of delivering high-quality cuts that become the heart of cultural cuisines across the world. And yet this balance is not mechanical. It is emotional, tied to the rancher's hand that feeds, the technician's eye that checks every valve, and the consumer's unspoken trust that what arrives on their plate or in their glass carries a legacy of centuries of ranching, know-how blended with 21st century technology, where nothing goes to waste because hides, bones, and even organic byproducts are transformed into secondary industries like leather, fertilizers, or energy, proving that the longhorn, once a symbol of raw frontier strength, has become a carefully orchestrated foundation of modern living. And what makes this journey breathtaking is not only the scale of millions but the hidden choreography of thousands of unseen workers and machines, each performing their silent role in a process so vast it almost feels invisible, and yet so intimate it touches breakfast tables, festive dinners, and family kitchens every single day, leaving us with a truth rarely spoken but deeply felt, that behind every drop of milk and every cut of beef lies an extraordinary human story of resilience, innovation, and devotion that no other channel or narrative dares to capture in this way, making this tale of the longhorn's transformation into milk and meat unlike anything you have ever experienced before.